All right, we've had my wife's 24 Honda Pilot now for about 3 months. If you're anything like us, you're wondering, what do you do to keep this ebony black plastic shiny and clean, get the fingerprints, get the dust off? How do you clean the instrument cluster and even the door panel pieces? Well, these are the products we've been using. I like this glass cleaner. I've used it in other spots as well. Really recommend a lint-free cloth. And if you're going to use a paper towel, at least use one of these blue shop towel style, not the regular paper towels. They're going to be less abrasive and also leave less dust. But if you're going to really want to get it clean and minimize any kind of swirling or scratching, highly recommend a lint-free rag. Best way to clean it is just a quick little spray on that rag there. And you're just going to wipe it. And don't worry about getting it on these other pieces of plastic. It's really not going to damage any of that. Actually, probably better to get some of your smudge prints off of that as well. It's good for cleaning your screen. Any of this black plastic, just like around your AC controls. If you want to clean your instrument cluster, it's good for that as well. And those door panel pieces that seem to get all kind of smudges on them. Even all the buttons down here. I will have some affiliate links in the description below. If you like this information that I shared with you, please subscribe and share. And that's to the point.